All right, so we're about to put the Levain to bed, the sourdough starter. It was fed this morning on the normal schedule, but I'm not planning to use it for another month or another few weeks, let's say. So I write the date and what it is, the Levain, write that on the bag. That's today's date. So ideally I will quote unquote wake it up before December 13th, as it's advisable not to leave the Levain in the refrigerator for more than a month. It'll get cloudy and gray and it won't look that good if you leave it in there longer than that. So this is the process of putting it to bed. So I have a container of filtered water that I'm going to take the Levain and put it into the bath of water to kind of cover it in water so that it doesn't stick to the bag while it's resting in the fridge for the close to a month, if not just maybe a few weeks. So I wet my hand so that the Levain doesn't stick, and just kind of peel it away from the sides. Try to get as much of it out of the container and into the water bath as possible in one fell swoop. Scrape the bottom a bit, trying to get my hand underneath the entire mass of it, and scoop it out, drop it into the bath, into the water that is. And yeah, I'm pretty fussy. I try to get as much of it in there as possible. If I want to use some of it later, I want to make sure I want to maintain the mother, so to speak. And so try to get all of it out of there as much as possible. And yeah, then kind of coat it and scoop the whole thing out. Try to get the excess water off, and then just go right into the bag. And that's what it looks like. I'll dry off my hand a bit. And I will seal the bag. I try to make it as airtight as I can. Do the best you can. And make sure it's completely sealed. You don't want any air in there at all. And this is just a gallon-sized freezer bag. Seems to be the easiest bag size to get it in and out. And yeah, this just goes in the fridge. And again, I want to wake it up, with the feeding schedule a couple of times before I use it. I will do that before the 13th of December. So, some recipes you can just peel 100 grams of the Levain right out of the fridge. That's fine. So this amount here is half the Flour Water Salt Yeast recipe for the Levain. So it's just 50 grams of the starter, 200 grams of wheat, 200 grams of 200 grams of white, 50 grams of wheat, and 200 grams of water. And that I did that around 7:30 this morning, and it's now about 4 o'clock. And so now it's going back in the fridge. All right, thanks.